Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 5, part 2 of the offhand challenge series. In the last part of this episode, I single pin picked this Doit with my offhand. I tried to rake it, but I was using the wrong rake, so we'll try the raking again. There we go, that works almost as well as the key. And we will attempt to do the top of keyway as well here. Let's see, I can get into the back. I may need to put this in the... Nope, I got it just barely, but I got it. So that completes this Doit brand offhand challenge. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.